Ladies and gentlemen, every person dreams of living a better life, full of purpose, peace, and progress. Yet most people keep waiting for the right time to begin. The truth is, the right time is not next year, not next week, not tomorrow. It is today. Imagine if you took the next 30 days seriously, dedicating yourself to new habits, new thoughts, and new actions. 1 month may seem short, but it is enough to transform your mindset, your health, your relationships, and even your future. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day. Waking up early, even just 30 minutes earlier than usual, gives you time to focus on yourself before the world distracts you. Use this time for reflection, journaling, prayer or meditation, and exercise. When you win your mornings, you win your days. And when you win your days consistently, you win your life. Your life is shaped by the thoughts you consume. In 1 month, commit to replacing social media scrolling with positive, educational, and uplifting content. Read books, listen to motivational podcasts, or study something that improves your skills. What you feed your mind today will be reflected in the results you see tomorrow. Your body is the foundation of everything you do. In 30 days, you can create a routine of drinking more water, eating clean meals, and exercising at least 20-30 minutes a day. Small, consistent actions compound. When your health improves, your energy, focus, and confidence rise. And that impacts every area of your life. Clutter is not just physical, it's mental and emotional too. In the next month, clear your space, organize your environment, and let go of toxic people or habits that drain your energy. The lighter your life feels, the more space you have for growth and positivity. Change does not come from random effort. It comes from clear direction. Decide exactly what you want in the next 30 days. Write down your goals, break them into weekly actions, and review your progress daily. A written goal gives you clarity, focus, and accountability. Your mindset is your greatest tool. Start and end your day by writing 3 things you are grateful for. In 1 month, this simple act rewires your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. Gratitude reduces stress, builds happiness, and attracts more opportunities into your life. Your morning is the foundation of your entire day, and the way you begin your day determines the energy, focus, and discipline you carry with you for the next 24 hours. Most people underestimate the power of mornings, but in reality, the first hour after waking up is the most crucial part of your day. It is when your mind is fresh, your thoughts are clear, and your body is ready to receive direction. If you fill this sacred time with chaos, distractions, and negativity, the rest of your day will often follow the same pattern. But if you fill it with peace, purpose, and productivity, you are setting yourself up for success. Mastering your morning doesn't mean you must wake up at 4 a.m. like some gurus preach. It means waking up intentionally. Even waking up 30 minutes earlier than your usual time can create an incredible shift. Use that extra time to focus on yourself before the world demands your attention. Don't begin your day scrolling through social media or checking emails. That only puts you in a reactive state, responding to other people's lives instead of leading your own. Instead, create a morning ritual that gives you clarity, focus, and energy. Start with silence, whether through meditation, prayer, or deep breathing, to center your mind. Then move your body. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. Even a short stretch, a walk, or 20 push-ups will wake you up and release energy. Next, feed your mind with something positive. Read a few pages of a book, listen to an inspiring talk, or write in a journal. These practices may seem small, but repeat it every day for 1 month. They transform you. When you master your morning, you take control of your mindset before anyone else can influence it. You program yourself for positivity before negativity tries to creep in. You fill your cup before giving to others. And this simple habit, repeated daily, becomes the foundation for a life of discipline, productivity, and growth. Think of your morning as the steering wheel of your entire day. If you begin your morning with intention, you steer your life toward clarity, energy, and success. If you start your morning with laziness, chaos, or distractions, your entire day easily slips out of control. That's why successful people all over the world, from entrepreneurs to athletes to leaders, guard their mornings carefully. Now, let me ask you this. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? For most people, it's grabbing their phone. Within seconds, they're bombarded with notifications, messages, and the lives of other people. Without even realizing it, their brain starts the day in a state of stress, comparison, and distraction. And once that cycle begins, it's very hard to regain focus. But imagine this, what if instead of reaching for your phone, you reached for your purpose? What if the first voice you heard in the morning was your own, telling yourself who you are and what you want to achieve? That single shift changes everything. Mastering your morning is not about waking up at some extreme hour. It's about taking ownership of your first hour. For example, first 10 minutes silence. Sit in gratitude. Meditate or pray. Begin your day with calmness instead of chaos. Next 10 minutes movement. Do something physical, a short workout, stretching, or even a brisk walk. This wakes up your body and clears your mind. Next 10 minutes, growth. Feed your mind. Read a book, write in a journal, or listen to something uplifting. Pour knowledge and positivity into yourself before the world pours its negativity onto you. That's just 30 minutes, yet it has the power to set the tone for the next 16 hours of your day. When you consistently follow this for a month, you'll notice that you are calmer in stressful situations, sharper in your work, and more confident in your decisions. Think about it. 1 month of waking up with purpose instead of reacting to life will reprogram your mind. You'll begin to carry yourself differently. People will notice your energy. You'll stop dragging yourself through the day and instead start leading your day. Mastering your morning is like planting a seed. At first, it may feel small or even uncomfortable, but with consistency, it grows into discipline, confidence, and momentum. And that momentum spreads into every area of your life. Your mind is the control center of your life. Everything you think, everything you believe, and everything you allow to take root in your thoughts eventually shows up in your actions, your habits, and your reality. If your mind is filled with negativity, comparison, and distractions, your life will reflect the same. But if your mind is nourished with positivity, wisdom, and knowledge, your life will begin to flourish. The truth is simple. What you feed your mind today becomes the life you live tomorrow. Most people don't realize it, but we are constantly feeding our minds, whether we choose to or not. Every scroll on social media, every conversation, every video, every book, every song, it all plants seeds. And just like a garden, those seeds grow. If you plant weeds, negativity, gossip, fear, and doubt, don't be surprised when your life feels heavy and hopeless. But if you plant seeds of growth, reading uplifting books, listening to inspiring voices, and surrounding yourself with empowering people, your life begins to transform. Think of your mind as a sponge. Whatever it absorbs, it holds on to. If you start your mornings by reading motivational words, listening to educational podcasts, or journaling your goals, you are programming your brain for productivity and positivity. On the other hand, if you spend those same hours consuming meaningless entertainment or scrolling endlessly through people's highlight reels, you're programming your brain for distraction and dissatisfaction. Feeding your mind daily doesn't mean spending hours in deep study. Even 20 to 30 minutes of intentional input each day can rewire your thinking. Imagine what would happen if for the next 30 days, instead of spending an hour on social media, you spent that hour reading a book that teaches you success principles, self-discipline, or financial wisdom. Imagine if, instead of gossiping, you listen to a podcast about leadership or resilience. 1 month of consistent feeding can plant seeds that will grow into habits that will eventually shape your destiny. You must also protect your mental diet. Just as you wouldn't eat junk food all day and expect to be physically healthy, you can't consume mental junk and expect to live a focused, fulfilled life. Every day, ask yourself, what am I allowing into my mind? Is it helping me grow, or is it holding me back? When you shift your mental diet, you'll notice you begin to think differently, talk differently, and act differently. People around you will notice a change in your energy because your mind is no longer weighed down by negativity. It is fueled by wisdom and inspiration. And here's the beauty of it. When you feed your mind, you strengthen your resilience. Life will always throw challenges your way, but a nourished mind sees obstacles as opportunities instead of roadblocks. A strong mind knows that failure is just feedback, not a final destination. That mindset alone can completely change the way you handle life in just 30 days. Your mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant in it, good or bad, will grow and shape the way you see the world. That's why guarding and feeding your mind daily is one of the most powerful steps you can take to change your life in just 1 month. We live in a world of noise. Every day, thousands of messages fight for our attention. Advertisements, social media posts, news headlines, conversations filled with gossip or negativity. If you don't consciously choose what to allow into your mind, the world will choose for you. And the world rarely chooses what's best for you. Here's the truth. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If your mind is cluttered with doubt, fear, and confusion, your life will reflect chaos. But if your mind is nourished with wisdom, gratitude, and purpose, your life will begin to reflect strength and growth. So how do you actually feed your mind daily? Let's break it down. Read at least under 20 pages every day. Books are like conversations with the greatest minds in history. When you read, you borrow wisdom from people who have already lived, struggled, and overcome. In 30 days, reading even 15 minutes a day can give you insights that could take years to learn through trial and error. Whether it's a book on self-discipline, finance, leadership, or spiritual growth, choose content that makes you think bigger and life better. Listen to growth content instead of noise. Replace idle moments with inspiration. While driving, exercising, or walking, listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or motivational talks. Let those words fuel your mind with energy and direction. This turns wasted time into learning time, and it compounds every single day. Write and reflect. Feeding your mind is not only about consuming information, it's about processing it. Journaling your thoughts, lessons, and ideas trains your brain to organize and apply what you've learned. Even writing down 3 lessons you gained in a day will multiply the impact of your growth. Surround yourself with the right voices. Be mindful of the company you keep. If you spend time with people who complain, gossip, or constantly doubt, you'll absorb that energy. But if you spend time around dreamers, doers, and believers, their mindset becomes contagious. Feeding your mind daily also means feeding it with the right conversations and connections. Filter out the junk. Just like you wouldn't eat fast food every day and expect to stay healthy, you can't keep consuming mental junk, endless scrolling, meaningless shows, or negative news and expect to grow. For 1 month, cut back on this mental clutter. Protect your focus like it's your most valuable resource. Because it is. Now imagine what would happen if you committed to this for just 30 days. In 1 month, you could finish a book that teaches you principles of success. You could listen to 10 to 15 hours of content that expands your mindset. You could journal 30 reflections that capture your growth. You could distance yourself from negativity and bring in people who lift you higher. That's not just feeding your mind, it's reprogramming it for success. The beauty is this: when you feed your mind with strength, positivity, and wisdom, your thoughts begin to change. And when your thoughts change, your words change. When your words change, your actions change. And when your actions change consistently, your life inevitably transforms. Your health is the foundation upon which everything else in your life is built. You can have the greatest dreams, the biggest ambitions, and the strongest work ethic, but if your body is weak, if your energy is drained, if your health is neglected, you will never be able to sustain success. The truth is simple: without health, everything else loses its meaning. Yet, in the rush of daily life, people often put their health last, skipping meals, sleeping too little, eating junk food, or avoiding exercise because they are too busy. But ask yourself, what is the point of working so hard for your goals if your body will not be strong enough to enjoy the results? Prioritizing your health is not about chasing perfection or creating a strict routine you can't follow. It's about making small, consistent choices every day that add up to big changes. In 1 month, you can completely reprogram your body's energy, strength, and resilience just by being intentional. Start with what you consume. Your body is a reflection of what you put into it. Fill it with processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy drinks, and it will slow you down. But nourish it with water, fresh fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals, and you will feel a surge of energy. Something as simple as drinking more water every day, replacing one unhealthy meal with a healthier option, or cutting down on soda can create massive shifts in how you feel. Next, focus on movement. Your body is designed to move, and when you neglect movement, you're neglecting your strength, posture, and even your mental health. Exercise doesn't have to mean hours in the gym. Even 20-30 minutes of activity, walking, stretching, yoga, or a short workout done daily will awaken your muscles, increase blood flow, and improve your focus. Within 30 days, this small routine can leave you feeling more alive, more confident, and more capable. Don't forget the power of rest. Many people treat sleep as a luxury, when in reality, it is a necessity. When you sacrifice sleep, your productivity, mood, and health all pay the price. But when you allow your body to recharge, you return stronger, sharper, and more creative. In 1 month, simply adjusting your sleep routine, going to bed earlier, cutting off screen time before sleep, or maintaining a consistent schedule can drastically change the way you show up each day. And perhaps most importantly, remember that health is not only physical, it is also mental and emotional. Stress, overthinking, and constant pressure can destroy your well-being faster than any illness. This is why practices like deep breathing, meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature are powerful. They calm your mind, release tension, and remind you to slow down. A healthy life is about balance, not just physical strength, but also inner peace. Think of it this way, when you prioritize your health, you are investing in the engine that drives your dreams. A healthy body carries a strong mind. A strong mind makes clear decisions. And clear decisions bring powerful results. For 1 month, if you truly commit to your health through diet, exercise, rest, and mental care, you will notice a transformation in your energy, confidence, and even your outlook on life. Health is often treated as something we will get to later. But the reality is, later may never come if we don't take care of ourselves now. Think about how many people you know had big dreams but could never fully enjoy them because their health failed them too early. Success means very little if your body is too weak to hold it, too tired to enjoy it, or too sick to continue it. That's why prioritizing health is not a side goal. It is a core part of building the life you want. When you make health a priority, you are making a promise to yourself. I value my body, my energy, and my life enough to take care of them. And the truth is, you don't need years to see changes. You can feel a transformation in just 30 days if you commit. Let's break it down into areas where small changes create massive impact. Your body is like a car. If you put cheap, low-quality fuel into it, don't be surprised when it breaks down. Many people eat for convenience instead of nourishment. Fast food, processed snacks, sugary drinks, and then wonder why they feel tired, sluggish, or unmotivated. In just 1 month, you can reprogram your energy by making small but consistent dietary shifts. Drink at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. Hydration alone can improve focus, skin, and energy. Add more whole foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, nuts, and whole grains. Cut back on refined sugar and processed junk. You'll notice mental clarity improving almost immediately. Remember, food is not just calories, it's information. Every bite you take tells your body how to perform. Movement is medicine. Exercise is not just about looking good. It's about feeling alive. When you move your body, you release endorphins, improve circulation, and strengthen both body and mind. You don't have to run marathons or lift heavy weights to see results. A simple daily commitment like 20 minutes of walking, 10 minutes of stretching, or a 15-minute home workout can completely change the way you feel in 1 month. Your energy levels rise, your posture improves, and your confidence naturally grows. In today's culture, sleep is often sacrificed in the name of productivity. But lack of sleep is silent sabotage. Without proper rest, your body cannot recover, your brain cannot function at full capacity, and your emotions spiral out of control. Prioritizing health means honoring sleep as part of your growth routine. 1 month of consistent, quality sleep can sharpen your memory, boost your creativity, and elevate your mood more than any stimulant ever could. Health is not only about muscles and diet, it's also about your peace of mind. Stress, anxiety, and constant overthinking can harm your body just as much as poor diet or lack of exercise. That's why activities like meditation, journaling, deep breathing, or even unplugging from technology for a while are vital. In 1 month of practicing calmness, you can lower your stress, think more clearly, and feel more in control of your emotions. When your health improves, every area of your life benefits. You're more productive at work because your mind is sharper. You're more confident in your relationships because you feel good in your body. You're more resilient in your challenges because your energy doesn't fail you. In short, prioritizing your health doesn't just improve your body, it improves your entire existence. Imagine this in just 30 days of eating better, moving more, resting properly, and managing stress. You could have more energy than you've had in years. You could wake up without the sluggishness, go through the day without constant fatigue, and sleep peacefully at night. That is not just physical health. That is life transformation. Clutter is not only about messy rooms or piles of things you don't use. It is a reflection of your inner state. When your surroundings are filled with disorder, your mind often mirrors the same confusion. When your relationships are crowded with toxic people, your heart feels heavy. And when your schedule is stuffed with meaningless activities, your purpose is buried beneath business. That's why one of the most powerful steps you can take to change your life in a month is to declutter. Not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well.